Yeah, what's up, guys? Today we are going to talk about one of the most important concepts in CSS, in Tailwind CSS, which is the box model. If you do not understand box model, padding, margin, your layout will always feel a little off. Things will look too close, too far, or just not balanced. But once you understand those three things, your design become much easier to control. Then, what is the box model? Every element on a web page is basically a box which has four parts. And here, let me explain you with a real example. Imagine we have an H1, lorem, just say 5. Then after that, we have a paragraph, lorem, it's a 15. Then after that, I have an H2, lorem, it's it. Then let's start with this paragraph. I will open the browser to make it easy for you. Then here we have, I'll just inspect, what did I do? Just inspect this, then you will understand it easily. So you can see here, the browser represents this paragraph as a box. And the first part is the content. You can see here, we have the content. When I, over here, you see they put the content in the blue, the sky blue. And the space inside the box or around the content is called the padding. You can see here the right padding. Here we have the content and here the padding. But now as we didn't set it, the padding is equal to 0. And the line around the box or the space between the content, between the space between the content and this line, because the box has the line which surround it, is called the border. This line is called the border. And we can say the space between the space between the content is the padding, and this line is also called the border. Last but not the least is the space between this box, the element, and other element, which is called the margin. Is how the browser understands spacing of element. First of all, we have the content, then we have the padding, which is the space between the space around the element. Then we have the line which surrounds the element, which is called the border. Then after that, the space between the element and other element is called the margin. So we'll take them in order. We'll start with the padding, then after that we learn about the border, then the last video will be about the margin. Yeah. Yes. Then padding in Tailwind CSS is used to create space inside an element, as I told you. Then Tailwind makes it very, very, very easy with classes like already have a paragraph. Just copy. So just comment this. Then yes, and I'll save. Yes, then here if I want padding, just give p-6. Then p-6 give padding on all the side of an element. So here I'll just press, you will see how it gives the padding here. And To make it clear, just give a bg of blue dash 600. Yes, you can see how here we have the paragraph. Then before, if I remove this, you will see we don't have any space. You can see. But when I add padding, what did I do? When I just write space, you can see now we have the padding. You can even expect to see if we have now the padding. Yes, you can see here we have now the padding. I think 6 is 24 pixel. I think so. Yes. Now we have padding of 24 pixel on all the side of an element, on top, on right, on bottom, and on the left of the element. And this go up to for example 96. Can also copy this, then I'll just write here orange, then 96. So you will see here we have a long padding. You can see padding on all the side. I want just to show you that you can go up to 96, but we'll reduce it to 6. No, I've already have 6. I'll just put 4. So you can see here, compared to this one is a little bigger than this one here. I just put 4. Yeah. Then you can also put padding on direction. For example, when you want to have padding on all direction, I show it to you here. You have P-4, but you may want padding only on one direction, or only on only on one side, or on two sides. Tailwind also provide that. For example, when I want to have padding on horizontally on the right and on the left, so that I'll just on the x-axis I'll just put px-4. Then you will see here I have also padding on the top, but you can see here we have padding. I'll just increase it, just put 24. Then you can see here I'll just change the color of this one here, just put red. Then you can see here the padding is only on the right and on the left, not on the top. You see here we have the padding of 24 on the right, on the left as well. But if I want to have padding on all the side of 24, I just write P-24. You can see here I have 24 on all the side of this element. But if I want only on the x-axis, I'll put just px-24. Then you will see I have 24 on both the side, the left side and the right side. I may want also the padding on top and on the y-axis. Yes. So for that, we'll just copy this, and I'll just, if you want padding vertically, for that you just P Y, then the padding you want. So here I'll change the color. That which color? Just take then here we'll just try to reduce a little bit. Yes, you can see here now I have the padding on the y-axis, on the top and the bottom. You can see we don't have padding on the left and the right, because here we put just py. And if you want, as I said, padding on all the side of an element, we just need p dash then the number you want. So here we have padding on the top and the bottom on the y-axis. You may want also the padding on the x-axis. So for that, just px, and for y is y-axis, so vertically is py. Then you may want also padding just on one side, maybe on top only. For that, I just copy this, then and just write padding just run 24 here, just put 900. Then you can see here I have padding only on the top, not on the bottom, and not on the right and the left, because I put pt-24. I may want also padding on the right axis, on the right side. So that is PR24 here. Change the color. Take which color? Take orange, red. Oh, you don't have orange, red. You take orange. Yes, you can see here. You have padding only on the right. Yes, you understand the logic. So now we may want also padding on the left side, for that is PL. Then now you have, I change the color, you let's put 100 to make it visible for you. 100 is not 500. Yes, you can see here the difference. Here we have padding on the right, and here we have padding on the left. And Tailwind, I'll just write it here, padding on all sides. Here, just copy. Then we want also padding on the left and the right. This is horizontally. Horizontally, left and right. Then here is vertically. On the right side. Here is just right vertical. And we want padding on top. Then right. then left, then go to bottom, padding B, just copy, paste here, B24, just put, that will create padding only on the bottom, you can see. Yes, I think you understand the idea beyond padding is putting space between the content and the border, or is putting space around the element inside the border. I think that you get the idea. And in the next video, we are going to talk about the border, which is the line around the element. Yeah, see you next.